Sup guys, today I'm showing you a free, powerful tool that fixes all common Windows problems in one tool. It's easier to use and required, not installation. This tool updates to the latest drives, restart your network adapters, change your DNS settings, fix common Windows update issues, show detailed driver information, clean out temporary files and junk, back up your registry, and even reset Windows in some cases, and more. Alright, let's get into this tool. Download it from GitHub. Head over to the official GitHub page for the Windows Maintenance tool. I'll put the direct link in the video description below. Once you're there, scroll down and click for the first option to download. When download finished, right-click on the program and select Run as Administrator. And here it is. This is what the Windows Maintenance tool looks like when it's running. You'll see a menu of numbered options. To execute a command, you just type the corresponding number and press Enter. For example, if you wanted to launch the Windows Update, just type 1 and hit Enter. The tool will then run the selected task and update as you wish. For anyone who wants to keep their Windows PC in top shape without diving deep into complex command line arguments, this Windows Maintenance tool is a game changer. It consolidates so many essential functions into one easy-to-use interface. It makes troubleshooting common Windows problems so much faster and easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you've tried the Windows Maintenance tool or have any other favorite maintenance utilities.